Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. This one you got about 2x. First derivative of number 2. This is about the constant. So you got about 0. And we have the x. Number 4. We can put into number 2 multiplied by number 2. So this one we change by u. 2x dx we change by du. So this one we have negative number 2 u to the power of negative number 3. The integration of this one we have u to the power of negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1, and then we put about c. So this one is about negative number 2, negative number 2. So we need to simplify negative number 2, negative number 2. And we have 1 over u to the power of 2. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.